Hello there. I've decided I want to try doing another larger canvas. This is 16 inch by 24 inch, the same as the last one I did, same size, because I really enjoyed doing the last one, and I really do enjoy using my hairdryer for paint pours. So today I'm going to use the hairdryer again, this time on dry canvas. And I'm just using three colours. I have got navy blue made up, which will be my predominant colour, along with turquoise and silver. And because I'm just doing a blow dry pour straight on the dry, it's a little thicker, just a little thicker than I normally use. So I'm going to put the colours down now and then blow the hairdryer across them to see what sort of painting I can create. Well, that's all my colours down. As I only mixed them up a short while ago, I've got a lot of bubbles in them, which is to be expected, of course, and when I use the hairdryer on it, there's going to be a lot more bubbles. My three colours are, my predominant one, of course, the navy blue, was around 320 grams. The turquoise was around 80 grams, and the silver was around 100 grams. So I've kind of used different amounts of each to see what sort of an effect I can get. Before I go any further, actually I'll just get a few more of these bubbles. I just want to do a big shout out to one of my favourite YouTube channel friends. Her name is Laurie Symes. She's a Canadian YouTube channeler who also does paint pouring, and some of her work is just amazing. She's starting out, but she's fearless. She just does what she feels she should do and really enjoys it. So I'm just putting her name on the screen, and if you look in the description below, I will put a link to her channel. Please pop over and have a look. She really is inspirational. So I've got my trusty hairdryer here. Of course I've left the nozzle on because this one is going to be definitely a sweep right across. So now I'll do it and see what I can get. As you can see, you do need rather a lot of paint, and I may have shortchanged myself here, so I am going to have to tilt it a little to spread the paint out over the painting. Right, that's as far as I can get the paint to go. I'm just loving it. I'm loving all the colours. And of course I've got some cells from the silver, which is one of my go-to colours at the moment. I'm just mad about it. It looks quite white, of course, in places. There's a little bit more muddying going on than I would have liked, mainly because I've had to really stretch the paint out. So at some stage soon I will try this again with different colours and use more paint. I had worked it out that I had enough, but I had forgotten that when you're doing a blow dryer pour, you really do need to have the extra paint. And of course, New Zealand is currently in lockdown with this virus, and so I don't have access to new stock if I get short on any of it. I did stock up what I considered to be pretty well, but it means that some pictures I would like to do, or some creations, where you use a lot more paint, I'm sort of avoiding at the moment until I know how much paint I'm going to have. So I will do the edges of all this off camera. I'll just pick up the paint that's over the edges and put it round. But that is as far as I'm going to go now. It's just gorgeous. I love it. It's the colours blended together really well when you consider there were just the three and the patterns that they've managed to make. So once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.